going on, goats? Today we're in my garage and we're gonna be tinting my taillights. So with no further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this job actually got more difficult than I thought it would be. I took one of the taillights out thinking that it was gonna be easier to wrap it without it being on a car, but I was very mistaken. Oh my god, it got difficult. So for the other taillight, I left it on the car, wrapped it as much as I can, then took it off the car just to trim it. And this was the outcome. I like the look of the dark tint, but there's so much bubbles in this thing, it's unreal. Like, I don't like how much bubbles is in there, and I'm gonna reorder some vinyl to redo it because it's way too much bubbles. Like, so as y'all can see, I had to come to the professionals for help because I wasn't able to do it myself. Came to the, you know, the original OG spot, New Vision Auto. So when I was driving the car over here, I realized that the spacer was actually messing up the fender. So the wheel is literally all the way out and it's literally rubbing against this, whatever this thing is. So I don't know if you guys are able to see that. Tomorrow I'm probably gonna take it off when I get a chance because this is really annoying. It makes a loud ass noise when I drive, but I think it's when it's just weight. But as you guys can see, taillights look nice. I did a phenomenal job. The only thing about them is that there's bubbles. So if you go close up, you see all the bubbles. They look really nice from afar. You're all the way back, you can still see everything. Alright guys, so it's the next day. It's literally the third day of this whole project. What turned to be just tinting my taillight went on to be trying on my spacers. Then now I want to put on the spacers. So I'm on my way down to the infamous Pop's garage for them to put the spacer on. And they're also going to be cutting my fender liner because when we did test fit it, the wheel was rubbing against the fender liner every time I hit a bump. So we're going to have them look at it today. So let's get into it.
Dylan got it bumping. Hey.
I'm not even gonna fraud with y'all. It's warm as shit outside, yo. It literally feels like 60 degrees outside. No bullshit. Feels real, real good. After I finish getting my car washed, I'm gonna go do a photo shoot with G Low, my man G Low with the IPL G37. Yeah. So we're gonna go over to the drift spot, take some pictures over there, and then we're gonna see what the night brings. Again, like I said, this is a 3-day vlog. So far we did day 1, day 2, now this is day 3. Day 2 was did a little photo shoot with my car, but it wasn't enough. So I'm about to wash the baby today, go back over there and get everything done again. So I'm gonna see y'all there. All right, so he just now put the wheels on. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go for a test drive just to make sure that nothing is rubbing. Last time when I did it, the back wheels was rubbing, but this time he actually took like a grinder and he cut the fender liner off. Like he cut a little bit off, just so that the wheel could fit. So let's see if that actually works. Still rubbing, so I don't know what is rubbing on. Yeah, it should rub bad. Pretty sure it's not rubbing on the fender either.
So I can hear it. This is low shit.
It's probably gonna straight coming out.
It is. But that's the exhaust scraping. That's not the rim though.
Yeah, no, I know that.
Okay, go back up. Yeah, that's your fender.
It is. The fender or the fender liner?
The fender, not the liner. That's the actual. I'll show you. All the way up.
So just to give y'all an update, we're still over here at the shop working on the tires. Didn't even get the car washed yet. Reason being, the tire is giving the same issue it was given yesterday. No, the day before that when we first tried to put it on, where the rear wheel is rubbing, and it's a rear driver's side wheel. The passenger side wheel is perfect. So it's actually rubbing on the tire to the point where it's actually ripping the rubber off the tire as it goes around. So now we're just trying to do a little DIY fender rolling real quick to see if that helps the case. So this actually took much longer than I thought it was gonna be. I've been here since 2:50 p.m. today. It's now 7 o'clock at night. What I did, I put the spacers on and I also washed the car. So the car is good to go now. Nothing is rubbing, spacers is good. On the front and the rear, I got the 15mm spacers. I'm gonna drive the car around for tonight, check to see if it's still rubbing. If it is, I'm gonna come back tomorrow so they can check it out. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this long 3-day vlog. If you did, go downstairs, hit that like button. Don't forget to comment and subscribe if you didn't already. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.